5, the Group D game between Delhi and Railway. We're coming to you live from the Arun Jaitley Stadium. Railway is put into bat, 241 for them. Upendra 95, Karan Sharma 50, Mathur picking up 3 for 20 and 3 for 20, 3 for 62 for Saini as well. In reply, 334, Lord depended on the skipper and he didn't fail to deliver. Just 1 run shy of that big 100. Delhi leading by 93 runs. He'll be up against that. Siddhant Sharma, the man who's been in form. Sumit Mathur, 78 undefeated.
हिमांशु सांगवान, कल का दिन, कल का पल, इनको हमेशा याद रहने वाला है.
Run straight away and 4 of them on the pads. Help yourself delivery, and gleefully accepted this by Mathur. Moves into the 80s. That'll be 4. Straying a little in the line.
ये कैच हो सकता है और हाथ में जाती हुई यहाँ पे बल्ला फेंका है और एज भी दिया. जिस चीज की तलाश थी वो यहाँ पे रेलवे को मिलती हुई. एक और विकेट.
Well, he bowled the sucker ball, didn't he? Well, Siddhant Sharma after well made 18 gone, caught Vivek Bol. Kunal Delhi after 100 overs, 348 for 8. At the fall of the wicket is Navdeep Saini. It's a real difficult call for the umpire because it's got to be it's got to touch the return crease, and that's a beautiful shot. He'll get boundary there.
This will be close. Yes, the umpire agrees. Session puts his finger up, and the success for Sangwan. He set the cat among the pigeons by varying his length and also making the ball seam. It's a big wicket of Mathur.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली हताश होकर पेविलियन लौटना होगा. 86 पर 358 पर 9.
Mani Grewal is walked out to bat. Pulled away, and he will get a boundary for that. Hero, and it goes fine, and it crosses the boundary line as well. Leg by signal by Nand Kishore. This played beautifully into the huge gap on the offside. In this one, will cross the boundary, Rob.
यहां पर क्लीन बोल्ड. सांगवान और स्टंप्स की प्रेम कहानी जारी यहां पर. चौथा विकेट हिमांशु सांगवान के लिए. उसी लाइन और उसी लेंथ पर प्रहार करते हुए वेल बोल्ड हिमांशु.
Delhi bowled out for 374, and they have a lead of 133 runs in the first innings. Sangwan has been absolutely magnificent, and at the end of the first innings of both sides, this is how this game stands. Railways were bowled out for 241 after being put into bat. Good effort from Upendra Yadav, 95 there. Karan Sharma half century come in, and Delhi were bowled out for 374 after tottering at 97 for 4 at one stage. That's a good recovery by them. Badoni getting out on 99, Mathur getting 86 for them. Good contribution that. And Delhi now have a lead of 133 runs.
In the middle for Railways, Vivek Singh, 31 years of age, left-hand batsman. Well, his partner at the other end, Suraj Ahuja, the skipper for this game. Navdeep Saini, 32 years of age.
सुबह का समय लंच से पहले जितने आपको मदद इस पिच से मिल सकती है आप उस मदद को उठाना चाहेंगे.
Little bit of a bat. Oh, he's given him. Up goes the finger. The one that comes in catches the batsman in front. The umpire, absolutely no hesitation.
सूरज आहूजा 1 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए. रेलवे 1 पे 1.
Mohammad Saif, left-hander, 28 years of age. You'll have a lot of crowd coming in. A misfield there. Rare misfield by the Delhi fielders gives the batsman 4 runs.
चौका खाया आपने, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, पर ये लेंथ बाकी लेंथ से काफी बेटर.
In the slot, put away. The timing was good, the placement was even better.
That's stroked away beautifully on the onside by Saif. He'll get a boundary for that. Once again, nicely stroked down the ground. That's a poor effort which will fetch the left-hander another boundary. Use of the feet and straight away success for him. The bowling change has paid off. Vivek was dancing down the track looking to go over the top, and he was absolutely deceived, and his stroke only resulted in a leading edge.
विवेक को लौटना होगा 12 बनाकर 31 पर 2 रेलवेज.
Upendra Yadav, who played brilliantly in the first innings for his 95, pulled away and into the gap as well. Opens his account with a boundary. There's nicely played away through the offside. He'll beat the fielder. Good use of the feet from the left-hander, and he'll get a boundary for that. And that's not a good effort at all. Another boundary for the left-hander. Edged, and that's eluded, and it's flown over the slips fielders.
और आउट. नवदीप सैनी ने यहां पर उमदा सपोर्ट दिया. कूदकर मारने का प्रयास था और चलता किया एक और लेफ्ट हैंडेड बल्लेबाज को शिवम शर्मा ने.
End of Mohammad Saif is dismissed for 31. He'll be disappointed because he's got off to a start. He's done all the hard work, but he's thrown it away.
Bhargav Merai, the new man in.
ये लीजिए, सही लेंथ पे गेंद डालिए, बाकी काम आपका इस तरीके से होता जाएगा. टॉप ऑफ द ऑफ स्टंप जाके लगी है गेंद, और एक बार फिर से सैनी बताते हुए कि किस लिए वो जाने जाते हैं तेज गेंदबाजी के मामले में.
Merai gone for 1. Now Railways in deep troubles. 57 for 4. The left-handed Karan Sharma makes his way out to the middle. Pitches that one in the slot, driven magnificently through the covers.
लीजिए, एक और बाउंड्री मिलती हुई. यहाँ पे थोड़ा दिशा से आप भटके और फिर करण ने उसका फायदा उठाया.
Nicely played. We'll get a boundary amidst all the drama. Nicely negotiated. End of a maiden over. 19 done. 74 for 4, and it's lunch on day 3. There it is, confirmation. 29.4 overs, 114 runs, 7 wickets lost in that session this morning.
A very tough proposition for them from here on. They need to do something special. But Upendra Yadav is the man who will provide them the hope in the dugout. Karan Sharma and he were both involved in the highest partnership. 2 overs he's bowled in his first spell. He's conceded 8 runs. And in the com box alongside me is Rajat Bhatia. Good afternoon, Rajat. That's nipped back. That's a shout, and he's given. It's a big wicket. Grewal has been impressive right through this game, and he strikes in the first over after lunch. And he's picked up the wicket of the most consistent batsman for Railways this season.
उपेंद्र यादव 19 रन बना के आउट हुए. रेलवे 76 पे 5.
Ayan is walking out to bat at the fall of Upendra Yadav's wicket. Big shot, and Nand Kishore agrees with the bowler. Left-hander trapped in front. Karan Sharma is not happy, but he has to leave the field. And that's the 6th wicket down for Railways.
करण शर्मा 16 रन बना के पेविलियन लौटते हुए. रेलवे मुश्किलों में 80 पे 6.
Himanshu Sangwan walking out to the middle. And he cleans him up. Bowling it slowly through there, and Sangwan had played that shot too soon. Because it was bowled in line with the stumps, the ball went on to hit the stump.
हिमांशु सांगवान बड़ा शॉट मारने के चक्कर में अपनी विकेट गंवाते हुए बनाए केवल 1 रन. रेलवे 82 पे 7.
Rahul Sharma is the new batter to get just 9 wickets to get a outright victory, and this one is played on the edge for a boundary.
दोबारा, और ये आउट, 8वां धक्का। पंजा ले लिया यहां पर शिवम शर्मा ने, और राहुल शर्मा का टिकट कट गया यहां पर।
The first five for the season, he's gone for 3, 100 for 8. The new batsman, Kunal Yadav. Well, he'll get a boundary for that. That's in the air and just short of the man. Will get a boundary. Lucky to survive is Ayan Chaudhary. And that'll be runs. A boundary this. Down the track, in the air. Gone. Wicket number 9. Badoni comes on. He's the man with the golden arm. Picks up the wicket. One step closer now to an innings win is Delhi.
एक परफेक्ट मैच आयुष बदोनी के लिए। टॉस जीता, गेंदबाजी का चयन किया 99 बैट से, और अब ये फाइनल विकेट चटकाने में कामयाब।
Anchit Yadav is not going to come out to bat. So that's the end of the game as far as this Group D fixture between Delhi and Railways is concerned. Virat Kohli leading the team off the ground. Shivam Sharma 5 for him. And what a match it's been. Put into bat, the Railways got 241.